Hey everyone, in this video we will review Trade Ideas. Trade Ideas is a powerful stock scanning and trading platform popular among active traders. It offers real-time data, customizable scanners, and even AI-based trading suggestions, which can be very helpful for supporting trading opportunities quickly. Many users like its speed and depth, but beginners may find the tools a bit overwhelming at first. The platform is also quite expensive, so it might not be ideal for casual traders or those on a budget. However, for serious day traders who want advanced tools, it can be worth the price. The AI feature called Holly gives trade alerts based on tested strategies, which some traders find useful. Still, it's important to remember that no system guarantees profit. Alternatives like TrendSpider, TradingView, or FinViz might be better for those looking for lower costs or simpler tools. Overall, Trade Ideas is great for experienced traders but may not suit for everyone. Trying the demo first is a smart way to see if it fits your style. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.